12 midnight and 29 seconds. I've just turned 23.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road.
I'm gonna defy all the odds and I'm gonna get together with every single group of my friends in one weekend.
Time flies by in yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be riding shotgun under the stars, feeling like a summer.
6/11/2020, evening of, waiting for the cake.
South of the equator, navigator. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving around the clock with honey buttons, lager tones. I could get used to this.
Alright, birthday adventure day 2. First stop on my birthday adventure list is Matumbo, one of my groups.
Mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be.
Day 3.
We got 2 in the front, 2 in the back, sailing along and we don't look back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of.
Wait, it's recording.
I'll be riding shotgun.
We have managed to, like old habits, wind up in Allen Hole. I have just finished my birthday weekend. Hanging out with the Debauchery Squad and the boys was honestly such a fun finale to this whole weekend. I said, when I turn 23, I want to be with my friends. I could hang out with each and every one of those groups. I'm so exhausted, but it's worth it because this is exactly what I asked for my birthday. And I feel like this is a great start to my 23rd year of life.
Oh my god, I sound like a YouTuber.